Racing. Already having some trouble right from the get-go. That thing popped out of gear. And he might have to call his sponsor. Left front, 3 years young. Santa Rosa local. Valley Tow helping out on the F-250, 5.4 liters, 06. It's a yard sale down that straightaway. He's still in gear. And gonna try to limp it home. At that yard sale, coming out of the bed of the truck, the big F-250. Getting some help from Valley Tow and Bear Flat Tow. To the finish line. It's gonna be a new leader with a 58.80. Got under the one. Wreck-It Rob, the 45-year-old driver. Suzuki Samurai at one time. Into that left-hander with the big crawling tires on that thing. And a 10-second penalty missing a jump. That's gonna hurt the time. United Rentals helping out, low budget off-road. 1988 Samurai. Throw a 5.7 LS motor in that thing. Rob Bouchard, Wreck-It Rob. Dirt Star Mafia. Modesto, California. Looks good on that straightaway. And he's off to a good start. Papa Hearn, they call him. Coming up, we got a few Ustries out there, and they're all sponsored by Dirt Star Mafia. See what Cliff can do here. To the finish line, your new leader with a 5093. For Cliff. For Junior, also out of Modesto. Running the 2 stock machines, Hertz Plumbing Monster Plus Dirt Star Mafia, and had the issues there at the starting straightaway there, and right in front of the announcing tower. Got it in gear, back away, gets the hand up in the air, and gonna have to end this run a little prematurely. It's a girl thing. How many of you want to see a girl win this thing? How about Kimberly Warren out of Clear Lake? Racing, a Tuff truck veteran. And it's a girl thing machine. Off to a good start into the left-hander. Very important to get the turns down here. You don't want to touch a cone. Deal with the tabletop. Gonna need a big finish here. Help her out, Sonoma County Fair. Looks like he might have lost that straight off the back. And goes to a 48.06, your new leader. Next top truck ready to go. 351 Windsor. The power plant. Last minute racing 4 broke Ryan Mize. In the Ranger. Not left out here into the left-hander. Hours through the turn. A 41 double zero with the penalties, make it a 4.6 009. 46. Injured at cone. 46 009. Next up, ready to go. Dustin Unsey, 33-year-old Modesto driver, another Dirt Star Mafia. Charge it to the checkered flag. .308, a 48.308. It's the best elapsed time. Green flag, Sunday Miller. Another Ranger, Valley Towing helping out. To the finish line for Sunday Miller. .47.79 after the penalties, assessed of 52.79. Here we go with Papa Herc. Modesto Dirt Star Mafia. He's got the killer wrap on that thing. Toxic Shock on the 87 Ranger. Big Chevy in that thing under the hood. To the finish line. 42.06 on 42.06. We'll see.